this photo of California from outer space. Why does it look like somebody took an ice cream scoop and ate Earth? This is hands down one of the coolest geologic features in the United States. California's Central Valley is up to 60 miles wide and 450 miles long, which means about 11% of California is essentially a giant bathtub. On the eastern side are the huge Sierra Nevada mountains, with things like Yosemite and Lake Tahoe. And on the western side is the Pacific Coast Ranges. In between them, you have this valley that's barely above sea level, which is crazy, because some parts of this trough can have up to 10 vertical miles of sediment packed underneath it, stretching back to the Jurassic period. And sediment from these mountains are still flowing into the bowl, creating just this super fertile soil. This area was created tectonically over the past 100 million years. So the western plate slipped underneath the eastern plate with all the volcanoes, and then eventually that plate slid alongside the other one, elongating it. Also, at multiple points, this entire area was underwater, creating a marine environment. For thousands of years, it was called Tulare Lake, and this was the largest freshwater lake west of the Mississippi, and it supported the native people in the area. But all of this water was diverted for agriculture, and the entire lake dried up. But it's telling you it's meant to be underwater. And as recently as 2023, when California gets a lot of rain, the lake reappears. But because of all of these factors, it has a lot of sun, warmth, great soil, and water. This is really good for agriculture. And today, this area produces more than half of the fruits, vegetables, and nuts in the United States. This is a note in my phone from 2023, so it's something I clearly can't stop thinking about. And if you learned something from this video, it would mean the world to me if you could vote for me for the Learning Creator of the Year for the first United States TikTok Awards. Don't worry about that one. Don't worry about that one.